he said before, I am Marjorie.
I'm David.
And we are the Seagull Sloths. Tonight we will be performing for you the Labute, also known as the Breakup. From this section, what is something you did today?
Homework.
Ooh, that's always fun. I don't know how I'm going to pay rent.
I'm still trying to figure out what this film is on my teeth.
Kevin, did you not just hear what I said?
Yeah, but this is part of my homework. I gotta do this. Rent's important. My degree is more important.
Scraping your teeth for a philosophy major does not count as important!
Cogito ergo sum.
You're just saying that because you watched that stupid movie with Benedict Cumberbatch recently.
It was a little strange. Here's the thought. You with me on this?
No.
Take a look.
Oh, God.
Look into reality. Are you with me?
Is that last night's dinner?
Yes. Here's the thing. If we save food from last night from here, in our natural storage containers, next thing you know, we have more than enough money for rent. And we can reactivate Netflix. So, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It's a good idea.
I'm going to puke. You are disgusting.
They called Nietzsche crazy too.
I am having sleepless nights because I'm worried about how we're going to make rent and not be evicted, and you're over there thinking about not brushing your teeth!
That's right.
I'm done. I'm done.
Wait. What are you done doing?
You! I'm done doing you!
If we're not mistaken, that was a few weeks ago. But that was during the experimentation of the box of briefs. Let's travel down this path. I will stay here, and I will see if I can pay the rent, and you can go there, into the astral plane of madness. That sound good?
Yeah. Watch me in your mirror versus I leave.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't understand.
Sweetie.
I don't really get it.
Sweetie.
Yeah.
I always told you that you were a unique boy.
That covers it pretty good.
But I have to side with your ex. Like, that's disgusting. Not brushing your teeth.
What?
Honey.
What?
Honey.
Yes?
I know that your dad had dentures at 35.
Which is a
I
great
don't-
plan. Think about it.
His face did, honey, because he didn't have any bones to hold up his face. He looked like Skeletor. Honey,
Yes.
do you want to look like Skeletor by 40?
I think I want to play hockey, and teeth are really bad for hockey.
Your hygiene's really bad for hockey, and women, and men, and animals.
Well, that's fine. I'm only interested in one of those. You know,
Let's narrow that down a little bit more, honey.
sure. Raccoons don't like them either.
No, honey, no. I don't want raccoon
Yeah.
grandchildren.
Hey, I'm going to make some hamburger helper. And you go cozy up to one of those crime shows you like, and I'll be right back, Rooney. That was a joke because it's So you finally left fucking batshit man, huh? Yeah?
You said after the first week that I would not last past 6 months.
Yeah,
You're right!
There's
I
something to be
lasted-
said for your resiliency.
I lasted 5 months, 29 days, 3 hours, and 10 seconds!
And how many, well, what, theses did you sit through in this time?
Everything was an experiment.
That's insane. That's like some weird play that you see off Broadway.
Do I like toothpaste or do I like baking soda? How does the baking soda make my soul feel? What is that even supposed to mean?
You know, now that I think about it, I may have seen that on BuzzFeed.
He wasn't even going to school, probably. He was probably just a hipster.
27 ways to leave your girlfriend. It's all coming back to me.
Oh my god,
So,
we're
hey,
just losers. Just a
hey,
string of losers.
look,
And
don't
I'm
get-
a loser.
You're not the... Are you kidding me?
I brushed with baking soda for a month.
But look at how white your teeth are. That was a real one. That was a good one.
It was not a good one.
Everybody's got to get one.
I can't even look at the Arm & Hammer anymore. It was so gross.
Lily, let's connect. Let's fight.
Not connecting.
Let's connect the dots.
Oh god. Philosophy.
I'm not doing philosophy.
That's all it is. If you think about it, everything's philosophy.
Yes, the love of thinking, and we all think all the time. So yeah, okay. You're talking like him. 5 months is like an hour too long. Yeah. Hey, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna put on that awesome little apron that says "Mama's Good Cook." You're gonna wear it just because we bought it from that weird place. And it was
Burned
really cool.
everything though.
So you're gonna put that on. You're gonna make some bacon.
Oh god.
I'm gonna watch you. You're not gonna burn it. And then the bacon is gonna make everything so fucking good. And then I went and got us some wine. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
It just keeps getting
Can
sweeter.
we start with that? I have to cook the baking so I don't puke this time.
It's okay. Bacon is different than baking soda. We gotta fix you. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, we're gonna fix you. It's like Mrs. Doubtfire. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay.
Nope.
Yep, no.
Kevin?
I need you to look.
Kevin?
No, wait, take a seat.
Kevin, I'm your brother.
Take a seat.
I came down because Mom's worried on you.
You got
Worried about you.
it.
I don't.
You got it. You gotta take a seat. You gotta sit.
Brother?
You gotta, yes. You gotta sit in
I
the
came to have a
3/4
beer
angle.
with you. I came to just have a beer with you. I don't want to talk philosophy nonsense. I don't want to talk about.
Nonsense.
I just want to talk football with a normal brother for once.
Let me tell you about football.
Where's the beer first?
Okay. Don't fucking say it. I got PPR.
How are you still in this apartment?
How are you still such a prick? Here.
Well, at least
Yeah.
I have a wife.
I don't need one. I believe my dear friend Mr. Rene Descartes spent a lot of time alone. Now, please, take a seat. I gotta tell you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Still good.
Okay, let's do this.
You're fully aware that I live here and that you are creating litter in a place in which I live. I swear to God, there's something wrong with you. Anyways.
You didn't brush your teeth for about 2 weeks from what I heard.
Yeah, but
I keep up on your exes.
look at how clean they are now. Look.
Yeah.
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 Well,
I saw
baking soda,
pictures though.
motherfucker. What's in the Arm & Hammer? Elbow grease. Get them fucking clean. Okay?
Can I have another beer before you?
No. Look there.
Okay.
Okay, see those 2 dots?
Yeah.
Football is nothing more than a circle jerk of men who feel terrible about themselves and get a lot of money.
I do not give hand jobs to other men.
Let me first point out that I didn't infer that you did.
And
Maybe
what the fuck does a circle jerk even mean?
Freudian slippers on thy feet.
Now you're saying I'm a pansy who wears. I can deal with you. I understand why she or a nut.
At least a walnut.
I'll tell them all you're doing good.
Thank you.
See you in about a year.
I will be here.
I doubt it.
I smell it sizzling. I hear it popping. Bacon.
I got the microwave kind. Like, I burnt the other one
I know.
after I threw up in the kitchen.
You threw up.
I told you I'm a vegan and the smell makes me sick.
Was it projectile or was it
I
just...
cleaned it up. It doesn't even matter. I used your cat litter and I just sprinkled
The
it on.
cat litter?
I don't even think you own a cat. I haven't seen a cat.
Well, we already went over this. Daniel died like 2 years ago. I had an overstock of litter. I use it for the oil that drips in the... Shut the fuck up, okay?
And I drank another bottle of wine while you were out here.
That's why you're blood red. Yeah, okay. Wine. You ever wonder why wine is like the same word for whining? I'm pretty sure that he rubbed off on you. I'm pretty sure you took a little too much
Too much wine?
of him in you. I think that maybe we need to get out some tequila.
Oh.
Mamacita.
Last Christmas?
Yep, it's time.
Last Christmas.
Lime
was
salt
awful.
tequila, baby.
Oh, honey,
Nobody
no.
is going to fix you better than my dear friend Mr. Jose Cuervo.
The world still stares at me.
Yeah? That's normal. Okie dokie. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna break out the sombreros.
No.
Today we dance. Tomorrow we move forward.
Mm.
You with me?
Have you ever noticed that you have 2 dots on your ceiling?
Who notices dots on the ceiling?
Kevin.
Kevin
God.
is fucking... Say it with me.
Nuts?
Okay, thank you for coming here from Craigslist. I will give you the $50. I need you to lay here like a crescent moon.
Do I have to put my pants back on?
No, don't put it I need to get a handle for what's happening there. According to Galileo's tapestry, within the brown eye is a being. My God.
I've been wondering about those bumps too. I think they're natural. The other ones went away after a few days. These ones seem to just grow on each other.
They're festering.
Wow.
You have the entire Addams family down there.
Are you still gonna pay me that 50?
Yeah, maybe I'll give you 75 for a significant fine. I have to journal this. Journal. 295. I have found strange things within the brown eye.
If it helps you at all, they call me Al.
Al?
Al.
I'm Kevin.
Huh. You know, I thought it was weird that you approached me on the street. I mean, like, other bums have talked about being, like, approached. Sometimes they don't return.
Well, I put the ad on Craigslist. I said, if you are a transient, I have food. Usually that brings a few. And, well, you came, and here you are. And I was wondering if you're looking for a place to live, because I'm really, really lonely sometimes.
Do I have to wear pants?
No, you don't have to wear pants. I don't have rules here, really. I mean, as long as we can empirically make it make sense, it's fine.
Okay. Do I have to pay rent? Because clearly that's going to be an issue from the start.
Cool. That's okay. I've been paying for this place by myself for a little while now.
Huh.
I'm learning how far the stomach can stretch without food. The other day I found about a tablespoon of minute rice and I swallowed it. You know, the instant kind?
Yeah, that's good stuff.
It grew in my stomach. And then I was full.
What's up? Did you know who did that? Right in front of us.
Are you full? What if I'm imploding slowly? What if I'm just gas?
Huh. Well, burp.
From the mouths of babes. Thank you, Jibba. I don't need any more. I think I'm done.
No shit!
I think I'm done.
God.
I think I've had enough.
Yeah, you did.
Lil?
Hold on.
Lil.
Hold on.
I'm holding. If you hold on for one more day. Someday somebody's gonna come around and make me say goodbye.
Yeah, I did say goodbye.
Until then, baby. I love that song. You too. Jarvis, I don't have one of those. Lil.
Yeah.
Lil.
Yeah.
Lil.
Yeah.
Can you see straight in? Good. Me either.
I need water.
Water
I need water.
is the nectar of fools when thou art drunk. I believe Shakespeare said that.
You said that 3 shots ago. And the third one was a mistake.
I think the heaviest part of my body is my head.
Oh.
Just leaning with it.
Oh. No.
Keep me up.
No.
I bet Kevin said that.
I'm gonna get in a taxi.
No, don't take a taxi. Those are insane.
Okay.
Take an Uber. No, take a Lyft. I have one of those cards with a little thing that takes up $10.
Okay.
$10 is the difference between Cuervo and Patron sometimes.
Oh, please stop talking about alcohol.
Don't worry, your head's gonna feel fine. I'm already pretty good. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Son,
Yeah?
I hate to say this, but I don't think I can get up off the floor. I mean, I got down here so I could scrub the tiles because you said you were going to bring a nice lady over.
Oh, yeah.
I wanted the house to look nice.
I didn't
Not
say
saying that
lady.
you can impress her. But my hips
I'm
have
bringing
given
a
out.
friend.
My hips.
I'll get you.
Okay. I mean, and maybe it's just a friend, and I accept that, and I hope that you
Give me your
find
hand.
more than just friends. Oh, slow, honey. Oh, these hips are just not what they used to be.
I know.
Oh.
I know.
Okay, I'm upright.
You already good?
Yeah, just
As long as you're up, you're good to go, right?
get me to the chair.
I got you.
You know, when you get to the age of 60, sometimes a field and a nice bottle of bourbon and a gun would be nice.
I like that.
Oh.
That belongs on the magnet.
No, that's the truth. There's going to be a day where I'm going to call you and probably ask for that.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll keep a nice stock of it. Can't promise it'll be there when you need it, but that's just how it goes when your son's a nomad.
I'm sorry you lost your bourbon, honey.
It's okay. I have this wonderful place. This is gonna blow your mind.
Okay.
You know how I used to hate survival camping?
You cry every time.
I know. I started playing Fallout, and I started realizing that maybe I could survive on my own. So then I met this guy. His name's Al. He's my friend. Don't worry about it. He's safe. He doesn't like to wear pants, but that's not a problem. He has a bunch of bumps on his butt. Like, actually down in there. It's really, I don't know what the fuck it is. But I'm in this place where everybody is like living off the earth, and we're all just kind of camping together, and it's not so bad.
Oh, honey.
You know? And I don't have to brush my teeth. Nobody really gives me any shit about it. I just wish that maybe my family would.
Kevin, come here. Come here, darling. I think right now your loving mother would love nothing more than a pasture and a gun. That's all I want. Just make me proud.
It's very Chekhovian.
It's very true right now because I feel like I'm seeing a line of failures. And it's just the tip of the iceberg, or maybe it's just the beginning.
You are the patriarch of the Titanic, Mother. Forward I go into the sun, dipping my fingers in the liquid dew of gold. I will see you soon.
Oh.
I'll be back with a gun and bourbon. I'll leave it on the shelf. I love you.
Bye, honey.
Bye. Okay. Could have swore I had a little more liquor than this yesterday.
Sorry, I drank it.
Yeah, well,
Helps me keep moving.
I don't know.
I realize,
I had that bourbon for a reason now.
well, you know, the hangover from all the years of drinking, if I don't keep the alcohol in me, that many years are gonna kill me. Saw it happen to a dog on the street once.
Al?
Yeah.
I think I need a pasture and bourbon
Well,
and like a gun.
huh. Well, one of those things is right down the street. You just go in on to the church and you say, Pastor, I need you. The other two, bourbon's gone. Sorry. Kinda. And the gun, I can't clean up another mess like that. Oh, I need more alcohol now.
I really want to ask you about that. But I get the strong feeling I'm not going to like where it's going to go.
Nope. I don't either.
Hey Al, what are you moving my shit around for?
Feng Shui.
I like that.
Saw it on the sign.
That's Eastern. That's like, I haven't even dove into that.
I thought it was a takeout menu.
I am 1/4 away from having an almost bachelor's degree in like 5 things, but my degree in philosophy. You know what that is? The root of all evil.
1/4. There you go. There you go. I'll wait this up here.
Okay. Thanks, Al. This has been enlightening.
Remember to stop by the store for bourbon. We're out.
Can you get that with food stamps?
Yeah.
That's like all I got.
Okay. Yeah, you can get it with that. Or you can trade the food stamps to somebody who has money, and then go get alcohol.
How do you know this shit? Desperation.
Yeah.
I like it. Raw, edgy.
Yeah. Oh.
So, we got fucked up.
See? I felt pretty good last night,
Yeah?
and then I started looking back on Instagram.
You were looking on Instagram?
I was looking at all the pictures I took, and then I started feeling really bad. And then I started looking at Facebook, and I decided that I'm just done with social media.
What is our rule?
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink in social media.
I'm so glad that social media takes precedence over driving.
Yeah, it does take precedence over driving, because it can drive you mad. We've already been over this, though. I mean, really?
Yeah, really.
Really?
You saw things that made you sad? Like what? Like a picture of...
You making out with a dumpster. Not like barfing it. It wasn't a metaphor I just said. You were literally tongue to metal with that dumpster. I don't even know what was in it.
I was hoping I was with a grouch, I think. I've always just wanted to kiss his little furry mouth. He's always talking shit. I love trash. You know, he's
He's not talking about us! I need to get my life in order. getting drunk and then looking back at social media and regretting the next day.
That's the way.
I left my regrets behind when I broke up with him. I need to do something that doesn't just make me sad.
All right. Where are we going?
I don't know. I thought you were gonna, like, you know, oppose me or something. I thought honestly this was gonna be a fight and then I'd have to break up with you as a friend. I didn't actually plan out you agreeing because usually you don't agree with, like, responsibility.
Why not? I've been looking at this all morning.
Why are you carrying around a quarter?
Because I work my ass off every day.
Okay.
I go to Best Buy. And I work. And I tell people, hey, this is the best thing for you. You know what? You're not going to regret a bit of this.
It's, honey, that's a...
Also that I can maybe, after 6 months, get one of these added to my check.
That's a seasonal job. That's going to end very quickly.
I think we need to go backpacking.
Sure. You know what? Actually, that sounds like a great idea.
And I think we need to get a tent.
That's usually what backpacking
And I
entails.
think we're going to the Himalayas, and I don't think we're
Oh.
coming back until we're fucking better.
Let's start in, like, Germany and work our way through hostels and stuff, and eventually maybe climb
You
a
ever notice
small
that
hill.
hostel is the same as, like, unless you pronounce it different than hostile? There's something to that.
Do go on. Please.
Let's just go. I
Okay.
haven't got enough money. Okay? I have about enough money to get us there. We can't get back. Alright, this is a one-way ticket. But you know what?
What?
You don't read a lot of stories about people who risked it all and say, that was the worst thing I ever did. So,
Well, unfortunately, most of those people are dead.